We're gonna get calls on the toes. Here
That's
we
all
go.
right. That's all. But when you get
The
them
feet
home and
people,
you
the
put
feet
them,
people reach out. Cheer on sideline cheer, on cop cheer, go nights. And like these are the jeans I'm gonna be wearing out,
and
because
can I
we're gonna
show?
we'll go tailgating,
Oh
we'll do all the
yeah.
things. Look, it's perfect. And the vent makes it so wearable both
Oh my
casually
God,
and dressed up. Like to me, the black and the gray is like slacks.
yeah, exactly. And I was showing you.
Those shoes are high.
Well, I was showing them to you without shoes because
Do
if
it
you.
again. Do it again because your feet look good.
Oh
Do it
gosh,
again.
that's nice. There was a self-tanning incident. Yeah, a little bit.
I see the self-tan line,
look
but
at my
it's still
toes.
kind of cool.
Let's not.
Oh Lord, we're gonna get calls on the toes. Here
That's
we go.
all right. That's all. But when you get
The
them
feet
home and
people,
you
the
put
feet
them,
people reach out.
when you get them home and you put them on and you don't have a shoe on, they're going to look very different than when you do
They're casual.
put a shoe on. So I want you to put your favorite shoe on and then decide.
Any shoes?
Oh wait. Yeah.
Well, that's why we gave you the 3 inseams.
That's Garage 21. Hi, and she's outside. I love that. Hi, Amy.
Hi. I know, it's so fun to be outside. This is at night and I can't see this. So I'm so excited to show you, Steve, because this is not just a favorite of mine, it's a favorite of my dad's, who is a very, very a car critic, especially when it comes to washing cars.
Nice. Love that.
Who says I don't wash? Right? It's a chenille head nowadays. You love is washing their car with a bristle brush.
Right.
Please get them this because it can scratch your car. But this has 180-degree turnability, so it's so easy to get it in all those crevices around, and it's so soft. So I don't. Steve, here's one of my favorite parts, though.
You don't even feel that it's there, and
that
yet
is sexy.
You know that it's strong. You can move your wrist, your ankle around, and it's not going to break like the little ones that you buy on the boardwalk.
I was just going to say, this is the ankle bracelet for someone who says, I don't really usually wear ankle bracelets. Maybe you haven't even considered it because it is not that little souvenir ankle bracelet. It is a piece of fine jewelry.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so
Isn't
pretty.
that great?
Katia, when I see that on you, I'm like, why aren't all of us wearing ankle bracelets all the time?
Yeah.
Like,
right?
I'm like, that is, okay, that's an easy fix for $24. I can have that look too on Easy Pay.
And I love how we did the stations. There's 3 stations on each ankle bracelet. Again, finished on both sides. So if while you're wearing that, it rolls a little bit, guess what? No problem. It's finished beautifully. It's comfortable. It's easy to put on. Some of you have even said, too, that, you really need like a 9-inch bracelet for the way to fit. So don't be afraid to buy the small in this, which is 9 inches long, and wear it as a bracelet if you'd like to.
That's actually
just
really
an idea.
Yeah,
just an idea.
That'd actually be really great even for layering. So 5 easy payments of $24. Finally back in stock, sold out in its debut of the heart, the paw, the butterfly, all sold out back in April. We're thrilled to bring this back.